Hey everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add featured post on your LinkedIn profile using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the app and on the top left corner, you can see your profile. Tap on it and select View Profile right below your username. Then there you have to scroll down a bit. Under Resources, you can see Show All 4 resources. Tap on it. Then you have to select Activity. Once you do that, they're gonna show you the activities, posts you have posted in recent days. Then tap on the 3-dot menu right above post you've made, and it's gonna take a few seconds, and on the first option of it is featured on the top of the profile. Select that, and guys, that's it. That's how you feature post on your LinkedIn account. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.